Hello Pajeros. Here is today I'm going to install the rock lights. It's gonna be fitted to the wheel arch of my Pajero. So this is can control by the mobile applications. The colorful ones, you can change the colors as well. And all the guidelines over here. So the colorful things, and it will be responsive for the music, responsive lights pattern. You can choose it, and it can be iOS 7. It's for the iPhone as well, for the Android also. Scan the QR code, we will do later on after the installations. And here is a guideline for how it's connected. Okay, this is the API box, the control box, and it's connected to the 4 lights. See, it's really waterproof, sealed ones. When you connect the other line to here, it's a rubber bush over here. Okay, and this brand is a Scorpion, one of the best brand. And as you can see, it's here. Actually, this is solid ones. So it's fully aluminium ones. The full waterproof. This is the other connected. It will be. It has a thread to connect over here. You can see. And I hope this wire, the length will be enough to the rear wheels. Let's figure out later on. And this is I found out here, the 4 rubber knobs. It will be fitted to here for the more flexible to fit it, and the wire connected. Yeah, and 4 bolt and nut, and all the wire cords I believe is the same length. Here is as well, and I got it from the box itself. 4 rubber tubes here. This one is, I think, not required to fit it here. I need the flat ones. So this one we can directly to fit to the wheel arch. The first ones I'm gonna fit it to there, here in this line. This is for the rear. In the front, I'm gonna fit it to there. So this wheel arch, so under the wheel. So only 2 screws needed. The second plan was, after fixing this one, how to hide the wire and bring into the control box. Make sure the line in the proper way. So this, if it goes to here, so this one will be fitted nicely. This comes out here. This is how it is fixed. Why I hide from here? This goes inside from here. Can put down a little bit. Yes. Just go under the cover like this. You can see. From this bolt, and I'm trying to reach the wire inside. Hopefully I can get, yes, it's here. Yeah, right side already done. Now I have to finish the left hand side. I make a hole already for the two ball nuts, and for the passing a wire I make a hole. I remove the 3 clips from here just to put my hands inside. You can see, so I can reach easily here. Once you're done my work, so I will put the 3 new clips over here, then it will be fitted. making a hole there. So he's measuring the place. To put the small clamp to hide the wire inside the wheel arch. Now we've taken the wire from here. As you can see, later on we will put the silicone from here. From the front, we're using these knobs to take out, and they have a small making a drill over here. Then we will put the silicone after that, put the full seal to prevent from the noise and the water. This from the driver's side. Let's see from the passenger side how we do. Okay. Yeah, we'll tie up the wire from here. It's going to inside from there. The silicone to prevent sounds and from the water. We already gave the connections from here to the API box, the control box, and all the connect will be done. I'm gonna plan keeping this APP box, the control box, under the driving seat. So that's how we do the wiring. So I did not cut any wire and I did not put any extensions. So all the wires are connected here, as you can see. Now this one will be hang out inside the driving seat. It's not visible at all. Yeah, this is the passenger side, how it's come out, and all go directly inside from there. We add silicone. This is the passenger side, the rear side, the right hand side. So how it goes inside, we put the cable tied up. This is the driver side, the rear. This also we planning to put the PVC cover on top of the wire for safety. I'm showing you now for the driver side. We already gave the connection. You can see in the daytime as well. Let's see after download the application how it is work. Wire is not visible at all. The perfectly completed our work. We gave the connection as well. Alright guys, thank you for watching. So let me show you how the rock lights at work. I think it's better in the dark. Let's try. Pretty good, huh? Light was keep changing for the music. If you want to put, there's a lot of options when you download the application. I'm pretty happy of this. You can try also, and if you want to keep one light only, and you can use it. Once you download, you will see the options. Guys, thank you for watching.